Hi guys, what's up? I am Maithili and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you guys are doing well, and this is a new vlog and this is my first trip of 2026. So I'm super duper excited. Have you guessed the location yet? I guess not. But I am finally going to Delhi. मैं क्यों जा रही हूँ, क्या है वो सब मैं डिटेल में बाद में बताऊंगी. फिलहाल मेरी ट्रेन है 7:20 को, which is the Rajdhani Express from Ahmedabad to Delhi. And yeah, I'm all set to leave. Bags pack हो चुकी है. I'm just waiting for my cab. एक बार वो आ जाए तो हम निकलेंगे. Right now it's 5:40 by the way. So yeah, I don't know what kind of a vlog this is gonna be. I'm obviously not gonna vlog like each and everything. मतलब मैं थोड़ा बहुत देखती हूँ क्या क्या दिल्ली में घूमती हूँ. I've been to Delhi before, so yeah, it's definitely not a new place for me, but I'm still excited to explore all the remaining spots जो मैं last time cover नहीं कर पाई थी. And yeah, let's go. I hope you guys enjoy this vlog. Hi guys, I'm in the train, all set to leave. It's 6:25 right now. I'm 1 hour early. पहुँच तो गए हैं हम दिल्ली. क्या ही क्या स्वागत है. बारिश हो रही है. Hi guys, I finally reached my friend's place in Delhi. And oh my god, it was such a ride. मेरे आते ही बारिश शुरू हो गई, लाइटनिंग शुरू हो गई, and I had to put on the mask. मेरी खांसी वापस थोड़ी सी ट्रिगर हो गई है. So yeah, wish me luck. अभी के लिए हम मास्क उतार ही देते हैं because I'm in the lift and I'm going to her place. Okay, I'll catch up with you guys when there's something interesting that is happening. तब तक के लिए bye. So basically दिल्ली आके भी काम ही कर रही हूँ मैं. Day 1 in Delhi. Of course I'm working, so I have blurred the background. मैं साथ में खा रही हूँ pomegranate जो ऐसे snack form में मिलता है in Delhi, which is so cute. And now, are you guys ready to see me? आज बहुत बारिश हुई है और बहुत ज़्यादा हवा चल रही है बाहर, तो मेरी हालत देखो कैसी हो गई. This is my हालत. पूरा black jacket, stole. This मैंने नहा लिया है, but this is my हालत. Later that same evening, we decided to visit the Lajpat Nagar market. हाँ, हल्की हल्की बारिश हो रही थी, but it was a very good and a very different experience to shop while it was drizzling. Also, the market was open, but the people were very less, so that was the good part. And then before leaving, we also tried the very famous Dolma Auntie's momos. It was a good one. If you ever visit Lajpat Nagar market, you can give it that a try for sure.
Next day.
हम यहाँ रुकने वाले हैं guys for today. It's a dorm basically that we've booked 2 beds because I'm here with my friend. So yeah. Hi guys, so we have finally reached Agra and I'm sorry for the weird angle and my face. हम actually cab करके आए हैं and we're here for 1 day. As you saw the previous clip, we're gonna live here at the hostelier. This is my first time living in a dorm actually, so I'm super excited for that kind of an experience. But yeah, this is where we're at and we're gonna quickly change, get ready and go visit the Taj. Of course, that is the reason we're here. Change into a skirt because that's gonna be our vibe, जो हमने कल ही खरीदा है लाजपत नगर मार्केट से. एंड रेडी होके हम जाएंगे टू विजिट द ताज. दैट्स द प्लान फॉर टुडे. बाकी देखते हैं क्या कैसे होता है. कल दोपहर को वील लीव अगेन, वील गो बैक टू दिल्ली. इट्स अराउंड 3 o'clock. सो लेट्स क्विकली गेट रेडी. और बाहर अच्छा खासा मौसम है बिकॉज इट्स थोड़ा सा विंडी एंड बहुत ज़्यादा धूप भी है. सो दैट्स द प्लान. आई एम फाइनली रेडी. दिस इज़ माई लुक. आई एम वेयरिंग अ नाइस स्कर्ट विथ अ टॉप. ये थोड़ा सा जुगाड़ू टॉप है, but somehow we've managed to make it look okay. I hope I'm looking good. Let me know. I'm wearing a nose pin that I got yesterday from Lajpat Nagar and मेरे को लग रहा है कि लाजपत नगर का ना मैं एक बढ़िया सा हॉल करूँगी कि क्या क्या मैंने ख़रीदा. But for today, the nose pin, the bindi, I've kept my jewelry very minimal, like just pearls and हाथ में bangles. Let me know how you like my look in the comments and rate it out of 10. Also, this is not my normal style because I do not go like all boho or Indo-Western as such, but I've experimented with my style and I'm feeling so good about it. I feel like Taj aake to itna banta hai. Baki we'll see how the pictures turn out. Hopefully they should turn out good, fingers crossed. हम जा रहे हैं to the Taj, right? And we're going walking. Let's see how it goes. There's clearly a lot of भीड़ और मैंने heels पहन रखे हैं and also I'm wearing a skirt, so it's kind of difficult to walk. I'm gonna be honest about it. मेरे को अभी से पैर दुख रहे हैं heels में walk करके. But this is also because मैंने कब से heels पहन रखी है. It's been an hour since I've been in heels. So yeah. So we are here at the ticket counter. हमने टिकट खरीद ली है और वो भैया ने मेरा नाम गलत लिख दिया. He's written Maithi only because he wanted to. So yeah, that's done. And now हम चलते हैं. हमें बहुत सारा walk करना है. So let's see how it goes. So we have entered from the east gate and this is called the forecourt area because इसके 4 दरवाजे हैं. Guys, this is the central line. This is the royal gate जो हम इसके सामने खड़े होकर अपना फ़ोटो खिंचाई. बहुत सारे लोग हैं और ये जो डोम दिख रहे हैं वो ये डिफ़ाइन करते हैं कि कितने टाइम में ताजमहल बना. हर चांद रात पे एक डोम बनता है. वाओ. Depicts the Hindu-Muslim unity because आप बहुत closely उसको देखोगे तो आपको दिखेगा there is a chand and there is a kalash with a nariyal. We are not going ऊपर. There is the mausoleum there, but हम नहीं जा रहे हैं. You can obviously buy a ticket. It costs 200 rupees and you can go. Wow, this is the view. We just ended up watching the sunset, guys, and it was stunning. इतना मज़ा आया है sunset देख के. So we took a guide and he explained us everything. उन्होंने बहुत अच्छे से हमारे photos भी खींचे हैं, which I'm very happy about. एंड या सनसेट भी देख लिया है हमने. अब यमुना नदी भी देख लेते हैं. Guys, the market is now open because it's 6:30 in the evening and देखते हैं. हमें वैसे कुछ शॉपिंग करनी नहीं है. हम बस ऐसे ही राउंड मार के निकल जाएंगे. हम आ चुके हैं टू द सदर मार्केट विच इज़ वेरी फेमस इन आगरा. और अब भीड़ देख लो मेरे पीछे. यू कैन क्लियरली सी देयर आर लॉट ऑफ पीपल. आपको आगे भी दिखाती हूँ. वी डोंट नो व्हाट वी गोना ईट. हम आ चुके हैं टू द आगरा चाट हाउस. जस्ट लुक एट द भीड़. इतने लोग हैं यहाँ पे. दे मेनू इज वी आर ट्राइंग द वेरी फेमस आगरा चाट हाउस का आलू चाट. लेट्स सी हाउ इज इट. Trying the makhan tarboos, which is supposed to be a sweet. It's way too sweet, but a very weird texture. I will not recommend you guys. If you are a sweet lover, then maybe. वरना मत खाओ. Guys, हम आए हैं इधर. It's called Arjun, the Master Chef restaurant by Chef Arjun. I'm not sure who is this person, but हमने यहाँ पे hot chocolate order किया है. Let's see how it is. This is really good. You guys can definitely give it a try if you are hot chocolate fans. मैंने थोड़ा गरम पी लिया but अच्छा है. Post dinner we played some foosball with the dorm friends that we had and yeah, that was a wrap to the day. Good night. Hi guys, good morning. It's the next day in Agra and we have booked our cab for 11:30 today, so we'll be leaving by then. But अभी सुबह के 8 बज रहे हैं, हम रेडी हो गए हैं और हम जा रहे हैं वापस ताजमहल because we want to see how it looks in like daylight, because कल हमने sunset के टाइम पे देखा था and although it looked very beautiful during sunset also, but we definitely want to see कि अब ये कैसा लगेगा during daylight. So we're going there. Also, in case I did not tell you guys, this is my day 2 look. I recently got this kurti stitched and I love how it's turned out to be. It's got a very cute neck pattern and yeah, we're keeping it simple with just jhumke and a watch today. हमें थोड़ा सा light look चाहिए था, so yeah. तो कितने साल में ताजमहल बना है टोटल?
It's 22 years.
That's right. इतना ज्ञान क्यों है हमारे पास? क्योंकि हमने कल गाइड करा था. हमारा सेकेंड टाइम आ रहे हैं तो हमारे सारा ज्ञान हम रिफ्रेश करते हैं. Guys, this is the morning view of our beautiful Taj Mahal. भीड़ देख लो कितनी है. Guys, this is the portal in case you want to buy ticket. तो आप इसी से कर सकते हो. So, I wanted to give you guys a quick update. हम फिर से ताजमहल आए थे only because we wanted to see if there's a difference in the marble structure because of the lighting. But ज़्यादा कुछ difference था नहीं. It looked the same. तो हमने कॉफ़ी पी और अब हम जा रहे हैं. Guys, this is the pool on the 3rd floor. And it's such a cute pool. छोटू सा है but it has got a good view. And see. वहाँ पे जिम है अंदर, मैं आपको दिखाती हूँ अभी. गाइज, दिस इज़ द स्मॉल लिटिल जिम दैट दे हैव. एंड फिर यहाँ पे बाहर बैठने के लिए भी है अगर किसी को बैठना हो. जैसे अभी बहुत अच्छी धूप है. एंड दिस इज़ द व्यू फ्रॉम द टॉप. दिस इज़ द हॉस्टल बेसिकली. और अब हमारा हो गया है चेकआउट टाइम. Guys, we are ready to leave. Just like that, we had a very good trip. बहुत ही छोटू सा क्यूट सा अच्छा सा ट्रिप था. The visit was successful. And अब हम निकल रहे हैं because हमारी कैब नीचे आ गई है. So I'll see you guys back in Delhi. So we reached back to Delhi by 1 p.m. from Agra, and then in the evening we decided to go visit the Palika Bazaar, which is an underground market. I did not buy anything from there, but it was a good experience. It was also very crowded that day. We also visited Connaught Place because we wanted to try the very famous Bistro 57. It has a very cute outlet there and the ambience is also good. Coming to the food, we tried their hot chocolate garlic bread and a vegetable pizza, and everything was so yum. Definitely try it out in case you are planning to go to Delhi. Before ending the day, we decided to visit the Gaur City Mall in Greater Noida West, which is very nearby my friend's place. So हम बस गए, हमने देखा. Of course, in Delhi, all the malls are big and they have almost all the brands present in each and every mall. So yeah, we just roamed around, did a little bit of window shopping, and that's it. Ended our day there. Hi guys, this is the present me. Just inserting this clip right here because I'm editing the Delhi vlog and I've decided to do like a part 1 and part 2 of the vlog because ये vlog बहुत ज़्यादा लंबा हो जाएगा if I don't do that. I have covered the major chunk of my Delhi trip in this, which was the highlight, visiting the Taj Mahal in Agra, and बहुत मज़ा आया trip पे. Of course, I was in Delhi for almost a week and a half, so of course we visited quite a few places, but I do not want to make this long. I'm gonna try and keep it short. So yeah, this is it. And I love going to Delhi in winters, so it was the best time, quite literally. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed watching part 1 of this vlog. Stay tuned for part 2. Let me know how you like it in the comments down below. Give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. See you soon in the next vlog. Bye.